everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I wanted to get online real quick and show you guys something that I actually purchased myself from Maremi Small Art. I'll post the link below. Marta Lepkowska is actually a YouTuber that I follow and have followed quite religiously for a while now. She opened up a shop with some of her creations. She does a lot of mixed media work. She is part of why I actually create what I do create, is from her inspiration. So I ordered some of her papers off of her website and super excited to open it. I did start opening it, but I haven't looked at what's inside yet. But first I wanted to show you how beautiful the packaging is. I know it's such a simple thing, but the care she takes in these packages is amazing. Everything was handwritten, beautiful handwriting, beautiful flowers. I'm gonna have to actually peel each one of these off or cut them out so I can use them in my own art journaling. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay. So as you saw, I didn't realize what it was. I started opening it downstairs and then said, oh wait, I gotta go upstairs and open it. Here it is. I only ordered a couple things. It's actually, her prices are fine. It's just because she is over in the UK somewhere. And of course I'm in the US. The shipping was expensive. It looks like she's in Ireland. So for her to ship this from Ireland. So I've been wanting to purchase it for a while and then just finally did purchase it just because I couldn't wait any longer. So this actually is her paper pack. She uses this a lot on her YouTube now that she's created it. What's great about these papers is that you can use little bits of it, you can use the whole thing, but it's a piece of artwork in itself. So as you saw the back, she created the back so that you can actually cut out and use her little quotes. Tells you all about her. I think it's pretty cool just to be able to, don't be afraid to fail. You can cut that out and use that. Different things in here, and she added with different fonts. Even this art technique I would definitely put in an art journal myself. So I'm just going to flip through the pages relatively fast. This feels like it's two pieces, but it's not. It's one of the thicker pieces, and these are all artwork that she created in her own mixed media work and then just had made into papers. Look how beautiful that butterfly is. And there's different types of papers in here. These are the thick cardstock ones. More butterflies. Looks like she uses a lot of butterflies, just like me. Here's her little monochromatic flower and mixed media background. Very pretty. And now we're getting into thinner papers. This is more collage type papers. It's not quite rice paper, but it is pretty thin. It would be awesome to add some matte mediums and attach to anything, art journal, canvas, board, anything like that. Very pretty. Looks like it's the same designs, only in this paper. Designs might be slightly different. This one looks the same. The colors are vibrant. I don't know if you can tell in the video how vibrant these colors actually are without it getting blurry on me. Take a look at that. Very pretty. Kind of expensive, but worth it. So the fact that she puts it on different papers is actually perfect for me, because I'm always afraid. I always buy stuff and then don't use it because I don't want to use it all up. I always think, hey, that's a great item, I want to save it for something perfect, and then I end up never using it. So if I have multiples of the same kind, then I'll be more apt to keep it, use little elements out of each of them, things like that. I really like this one. And then it looks like she's got some papers in here, pages in here that are meant to be cut up, so fussy cut, so that you can use them for different embellishments on your pages. And this is a thick cardstock again. And then she's got some of the pretty flowers, so I'll definitely cut those up. Yay, the butterflies. Okay, so that's it for that kit. And again, remember the back side is meant to be used, and she will tell you that in her videos. This thing popped out when I was flipping pages, and I have to tell you, I didn't order anything like this. Marta apparently includes little thank you gifts inside her packages, so this is awesome, super cute little, what's it called? It'll come to me. But super cute little embellishments that we can use in our art journaling or anything else. So very excited. Thank you, Marta. These are beautiful. I don't know why I'm at a loss for the type of wood it is. Chipboard. There, this one actually says chipboard. And here's actually another one, and this is beautiful as well. Looks like little fairies. I love these. Those will look amazing. So here's some more of the little pages that I got to basically fussy cut. This one's really small, so probably won't try to do it as intricate, but very pretty. And now that I got all this, I'm wondering how much I actually ordered versus how much she sent. I think these are a thank you gift also. So super cool. I can either use these as a bookmark, which would be awesome, especially with her name up there, or like the butterflies, I'll probably cut up and use them in my art journaling. And then here's the rice papers. Rice papers are really cool if you haven't used them before. You can see like the little fabric inside the rice papers. It's great for mixed media work. Again, on the back, this one's just paper, but on the back she's got her about her. So super excited to have another piece to be able to cut up and use. And the other side, I'll probably use this on the words that I don't say, just as a background. So there's that, and then here are the rice papers. So they're beautiful. I mainly use them for backgrounds, but I'm sure you could use them for a lot of different things. You could even fussy cut them up, but I like to see the fibers in the background. I don't know if you can see that. I like to see those in my artwork. It looks like it comes in flowers, butterflies, leaves or flower stuff, some cogs and stuff, some more leaves and stuff. There's a couple flowers in there. More beautiful butterflies. Flowers, and then her white flowers, which I absolutely love. She did an art journal page the other day using these supplies, so I'll be super excited to, which is actually why I bought these, to be honest. Once I saw that one, I was like, ooh, I want to make that. So I bought the supplies. Last thing I ordered is some word stickers. That was just the card I used to cover up my address. Some word stickers. So let's take a look at what words she has in here. So again, on the back, super cool, different size, so it'll be great. Same thing. And then we've got pages. There's lots of pages in here of word stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 pages in here. So things like let go of yesterday, find a balance. I'll let you read those if you want to pause it. Oops. Be the best you, smiling kind words. Be yourself, be in the bright light. Find the answers. Go and find yourself. Escape. Cherish. Awesome. Cherish tomorrow. If you want. Cherish today. Smiling again. You can. You should. Sit and listen to the world. Stay strong. I'm just reading every couple of them. Don't worry, I'm here. Magic dust. Paint away. Different is good. Journal yourself. I really like these because most of the words I've seen have been more, other than Tim Holtz, have been more card related. And I'm not, I make cards, I'm not so good at sending them, which is a huge fault of mine, but I prefer to art journal just because of that. So there you have it. If you enjoy Maremi Small Art and have gotten this kit, let me know. If you haven't, let me know what your favorite thing was. Either way, I'm very excited that I got these. Super thankful for the little bits of chipboard that she sent as thank you, and these little postcards. They are awesome, very pretty. I'm very excited that I finally purchased them. Oops, sorry. And then went and it took a while, of course, because they came from Ireland, but super excited to have all of these creations, or these beautiful things to help with my creations. So thanks for joining. Remember, if you like this, to subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know if you want to see more. Thank you.